Hey everybody, I figured I'd give you all an update on the Boston Whaler that I'm restoring here in the heated garage, which is coming in handy on this winter course. As you might be able to see, I have painted at least a good part of it. The part I have decided I really don't want to paint is this textured area. Kind of just stopped at, kind of like that little edge just to kind of make it fairly clean. I mean, I didn't put tape around there, but just try to do my best to make it clean. And I think it turned out pretty well. Here is the stuff I used to paint this. It's like the same brand as like the stuff I used to repair the hole in the bottom of the boat. And this stuff, wet edge, 1 part polyurethane topside paint. So I think that's just for above the waterline, of course, but I think it turned out pretty well. Boston Whaler blue, and yeah, I don't know, I think it looks pretty solid. Up here I kind of stopped right around there. I might go further, but I also kind of thought it didn't really matter. I don't know. And, I put the, painter's tape around that stuff, so kept it pretty clean. I think I did pretty solid on that. One reason I don't want to do that as well is because, I mean, this stuff's pretty slick. So, like, if I put that on the textured surface, and I just have a feeling that you wouldn't get any grip. And I can tell you from experience, getting the paint off the textured surface sucked. It was absolutely awful. So yeah, I'm still waiting for just a little bit back here to dry. This is a part I just recently did. Had to do like a little bit of touch up because whenever you're painting it, I don't know, like sometimes like it'll dry up and like there'll be like some exposed parts that kind of had to go over a second time. But yeah, overall I think it looks pretty nice. You're able to see a navigation light I have over here as well. And yeah, I bought this on Amazon, LED. And I think it looks pretty solid. I think it's probably a pretty good height. That's the wiring that goes like through the boat, which I already tested, and it goes up there at the front of the boat, and I definitely don't think it works. So my plan here is once I put that rub rail on, I'll just kind of route it inside the rub rail. And the place I bought it from, Integrity Marine or something like that. Something like that, I don't know. They basically said a lot of people do that because the wiring inside the boat ends up going bad. So yeah, I think that'll be pretty nice, and I think it's a good height. You don't need anything too crazy high. You just kind of need it like mostly above the people in the boat and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I had to move the battery for painting and that kind of stuff. And of course, I'm an idiot. I put all this stuff on there, and then I was like, oh, I should paint the boat, and then what an idiot. I should have just painted it first before I did anything. And I did do a little bit of sanding on like the areas kind of like this. Yeah, I probably could have done better there, but I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. Probably not 100% perfect, but it's like a 1970s boat, so do with it. But yeah, oh, by the way, and I did take this boat out one time as well. So I did really well in the water. Didn't sink. That little hole underneath the boat here held up pretty well. It's kind of covered from the bunk right now because I had to reposition the boat. Also, you might be able to tell those bunks are new. We basically just bought some two 2x4s that are 8 feet long, bought some carpet for it, and carpeted them up. And yeah, I think it looks pretty solid. Yeah, I guess really the next project is really just a rub rail, which is going to be an absolute pain in the ass. That stuff is so hard to move, but yeah, it'll be all right. And once I do that, I don't know. I can't really think of much else I'd need to do on here. I don't know. I'm sure I'll find a couple of things here and there. I mean, a boat is never done, But one thing I did get was like one of those like little fold-up anchors, and that was pretty cool. I noticed on my first time going out, I didn't have a chamois, so got some chamois in there and some lines, so. Can tie off on these. These actually work really well to tie stuff off. I don't know why they didn't have cleats back in the day, but certainly it's a good solution. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. That's pretty much it. Once I get the rubber on here and everything, I'll show you guys what it looks like after that. There's plenty of YouTube videos that show you how to do it, so I'm not going to like make a video doing it or anything. And it's probably going to take me way too long to do it because I'm just going to be doing it myself. So probably would be easier with more people. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, we'll see you later. Maybe I'll do a little video showing out this Honda in the water too. I mean, this thing, pretty fast. It was kind of a choppy day out there, and I had to be careful, especially if it was just me on the back, because it's a lot of weight on the back of the boat. But once I got my buddy up front, that was a lot better. It planed a lot easier. and I also just felt a lot less safe, or a lot more safe, I guess, having a little bit of weight up on front. But yeah, cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you later.